Going on YouTube? Today we showing you how to replace a shower head. This is what I got at Home Depot. For you guys, probably like 20 bucks, I believe. I'm gonna replace my old shower head with the new one. Let's go. Okay. It should be right here in the back. It's a screw. Lefty loosey. There you go, see? And just keep on doing that. That's it. Just twist it off. Oh, I forgot to get the tape for it. So to tape it around, tape that now. I don't have it, so I'm just gonna put it on. So there you go, guys. That's how simple it is, just to replace a shower head. As you can see, bam. I just gotta tighten it now, that's all it is. But yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.